Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty. Because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This B&R Power Panel 400 interface terminal is custom programmed for our Herbert Kannegiessen power dryer used by ERD's uniform cleaning company. These are very large dryers used to dry hundreds of garments at a time. This unit had several problems, including software issues, which we were able to repair. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.